Hello everyone, today I am doing a quick review of $10 IKEA Tertial lamp. It is a fixed mount work lamp with adjustable arm and head. This one is in white color but it is also available in other colors. You have to check IKEA's website for it. Like everything nowadays, this lamp is also made in China. It comes in a plastic bag and weighs around 1 kilogram. And it comes without a bulb. Inside there is some documentation, springs and mounting bracket. Assembling this lamp is easy and quick. Mount the bracket on side of your desk and insert base of the lamp in the mount. I think only drawback of this lamp is that the base is not locked with the mount and can easily come out just by lifting the lamp. I think this is the best value for money lamp you can buy in $10. If you have any questions about this lamp, then ask me in comments. Thumbs up if you like this video. Bye.